How to grow Cavendish bananas at home. Imagine stepping into your garden, greenhouse, or even onto your balcony and plucking a bunch of sweet yellow bananas grown by your own hand. Sounds bananas, right? But it's completely possible, and today we're going to show you exactly how. Welcome to Thinglish Lifestyle, where we mix a little fun with a lot of facts. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button now and join our growing community of green thumbs and curious minds. Now, let's get stuck into how to grow Cavendish bananas at home. What makes Cavendish bananas special? First things first, why Cavendish? Well, this is the banana you'll see in supermarkets all over the world. It's seedless, sweet, and convenient. But here's a fun fact. The Cavendish replaced another banana variety, the Gros Michel, back in the 1950s when disease wiped it out. Did you know that Cavendish bananas don't reproduce from seeds? They're all clones. Every Cavendish banana you've eaten is genetically identical, a bit like photocopies of the same original banana. Comment below if you knew this already. And don't forget to type Grow Banana Grow if you're excited to start your own plantation at home. Choosing the right plant. You can't pop a banana seed in the ground and expect results. Cavendish bananas are grown from suckers or tissue-cultured plants. Tissue-cultured plants are the gold standard. They're disease-free and give you a much higher chance of success. A quick tip: avoid buying random banana plants online unless they specify they are Cavendish. Otherwise, you might end up with an ornamental variety that looks pretty but never fruits. If you're in Thailand or other tropical countries, you'll find young plants at local markets. In the UK or USA, check with specialist nurseries or order online from reputable garden centers. Soil and location. Bananas are greedy little monsters. They need rich, well-draining soil to thrive. Think of soil as the plant's buffet. The more variety and nutrients, the better. Mix sandy loam with compost, manure, and organic matter. As for location, bananas love the sun. 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight is the bare minimum. In hotter climates, a little afternoon shade will keep the leaves from scorching. For those in colder climates, don't worry, I'll cover you in a special chapter soon. Planting process. Planting is straightforward, but a little prep makes all the difference. Dig a hole about twice the size of the root ball, add compost, and place your banana plant upright. Backfill with soil, firm it gently, and give it a good soaking of water. Here's a pro tip. Bananas like to grow in groups, called mats. If you plant several together, leave about 2 meters between each plant. This allows the roots to spread and gives you a mini banana jungle. Watering and feeding. Bananas are thirsty. They need consistently moist soil, but don't drown them. Think of it like Goldilocks porridge. Not too dry, not too wet, just right. During the growing season, feed them every month with a balanced fertilizer. Look for one rich in potassium. It's the key nutrient for fruit development. Wood ash and seaweed fertilizers are excellent natural sources. A fun fact for the science lovers: bananas aren't actually trees. They're giant herbs. The trunk is just tightly packed leaf stems. So technically, you'll be eating fruit from the world's largest herb. Caring for your banana plant, regular maintenance is vital. Trim off dead or damaged leaves to keep pests at bay. After a plant produces fruit, it won't fruit again, so cut it down at ground level and let one of the suckers take over. This is how your banana patch keeps going year after year. A healthy mat will always have one fruiting plant, one younger plant, and one baby sucker in reserve. Think of it as the banana relay team. Have you ever grown something that keeps regenerating like this? Let me know in the comments. Growing Cavendish bananas in cold climates. Now for our friends in the UK, Northern Europe, and colder parts of the USA. Can you grow bananas at home? The answer is yes, but with a little creativity. Option 1. Grow them indoors in large pots. Choose a bright south-facing window, or better still, use a greenhouse. Bananas in pots will need more frequent watering and feeding because they can't spread their roots. Option 2. Treat them as summer plants. Move them outdoors in late spring. Enjoy their lush tropical look through summer. Then bring them indoors before frost hits. Option 3. If you're adventurous, try hardy banana varieties, like Musa Bastu, for the foliage effect. But remember, they won't fruit like Cavendish. If you're watching from a cooler country, let me know where you're growing and what challenges you've faced. Harvesting bananas. Patience is key. It usually takes 9 to 12 months for Cavendish bananas to produce fruit. The bunches appear green and gradually plump up. Here's the trick: harvest them while they're still green. They'll ripen naturally once cut, turning that familiar supermarket yellow. If you leave them on too long, birds, bats, and insects will happily claim them first. Common problems and solutions. Like all crops, bananas face their fair share of challenges. The main pests include banana, weevils, and aphids. Keep your plants clean and remove debris around the base to discourage unwanted visitors. Diseases like Panama disease are more serious. It's why diversity is limited in banana farming today. But for the home grower, starting with a healthy tissue-cultured plant and good hygiene will keep problems at bay. Remember, prevention is easier than cure. Fun facts and banana wisdom. Here's a bit of banana trivia to keep you entertained. Bananas float in water, just like apples. They're technically a berry. And the Cavendish banana is at risk worldwide because every plant is genetically identical. One nasty disease could wipe them out. But don't worry, your homegrown bananas are safe. And they'll taste better than anything you'll find on the shelf because they ripen naturally, not in a warehouse filled with ethylene gas. Enjoying the fruits of your labor. So there you have it, a complete guide to growing Cavendish bananas at home. Whether you're in the tropics or braving the British drizzle, with the right care, you can enjoy your very own sweet bananas. If you enjoyed this guide, smash that like button, subscribe to Thinglish Lifestyle, and share this video with your fellow garden lovers. And don't forget, comment below with Grow Banana Grow to let us know you're ready to start your own banana adventure. Until next time, keep growing, keep experimenting, and keep living the Thinglish lifestyle.
Annette?